All right, guys, let's take a look at question number 6. Uh, let's rewrite in decimal notation 15 over 25. So we have 15 over 25. Okay, so in the past couple of questions, in question 4 and question 5, you've done those or you've watched the videos. We talked about a number of ways of doing this. So I could solve this problem going 15 and then 25. Okay, so again, the number on top goes inside, the number on the bottom goes on the outside. The numerator goes inside, the denominator goes on the outside. Okay, I could go through and I could solve it this way. However, there is an alternative method that's a little easier. And the alternative method that's going to be a little easier is if we think of decimals. Decimal notation is really just out of 10, out of 100, out of 1,000, etc., etc. So if the denominator, if it's very easy to convert the denominator into 100, then let's go ahead and do so, because that's going to make my life a whole lot easier. So obviously 25, think of quarters, right? Times 4 is 100, right? So then I'm just going to multiply the top by the same amount. 15 times 4 is 60. And this is just 60 over 100. Well, what is 60 over 100 in terms of a decimal? Well, if it's over 100, normally decimal places over here, you just jump back 2 and you place it there. So this is actually nothing more than 0.60. Okay? You don't have to solve it this way. If you wanted to, you could solve it like this. And in fact, let me just do that. Let me just show you that it's basically the same thing. 25 over 15. Okay, now, because 25 doesn't go into 15, I'm going to go 0.0. And ask myself, how many times does 25 go into 150? Just ask yourself, how many quarters does it take to get me $1.50? You'll see that it gives you 6, right? And it actually works out exactly to be 6, which it should, and it gives me 60 cents, okay? So either method is appropriate. I just think it's easier to multiply by 4 top and bottom. Okay, so if the denominator is a denominator that's easy to multiply by some number to get 10, 100, 1,000, it's very easy to convert it into a decimal. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Let me know what you guys think. See you in the next video.